Today, I'm taking you inside the entire journey, from raw source to factory to the engine.
You see this bottle every day, but have you ever stopped to ask how engine oil is produced? Where does it actually come from? How does raw oil turn into something safe enough for your engine? By the end of this video, you'll never look at engine oil the same way again. Before how engine oil is produced ever reaches a bottle, it has to be found deep inside the earth. Those reflections tell us exactly where oil is trapped and how deep we need to drill. Next, watch what happens when we drill thousands of feet into the earth.
Millions of years ago, natural pressure and heat trapped oil inside layers of rock.
Once oil is located underground, the next step in how engine oil is produced is extraction.
The journey of engine oil begins with raw crude, securely sealed in tankers after extraction. This raw oil is temporarily stored before transport, still unrefined, still powerful.
After extraction, this raw oil doesn't stay in the field. It moves by land straight toward the refinery.
Powerful pumps pull oil from thousands of feet below the surface, using pressure, gravity, and precision engineering. These tankers carry the foundation of how engine oil is produced. Thousands of liters of raw crude oil.
This is where the road ends and the engineering begins.
From this point forward, every step is controlled inside the factory.
This raw oil is about to become how engine oil is produced.
Now the journey of how engine oil is produced truly begins. Every drop flows into these pipes, ready to be transformed.
If you like our struggle, please like, subscribe, and share our content. Now, heat and pressure remove impurities, stabilize viscosity, and prepare the oil for refining. viscosity must be carefully calibrated to ensure optimal engine performance and protection. Before how engine oil is produced reaches your car, it must pass rigorous testing by our engineering team. At this stage, how engine oil is produced undergoes ultra-fine filtration. Every drop is purified to the highest standard.
Every batch is verified for purity, guaranteeing that how engine oil is produced protects your engine fully.
This is the moment where engineering meets performance. Ready for the market. Ready for your engine.
After rigorous testing, the responsibility rests with the head engineer to approve each batch of engine oil factory.
With official approval, it's now time to move how engine oil is produced to packaging.
After purification and testing, I'm consulting our quality specialist to verify that how engine oil is produced is ready for packaging.
This signature confirms that how engine oil is produced is fully purified, tested, and ready for the market.
See that flow? That's purity. That's how engine oil is produced, ready for your engine.
Now that the engine oil has been purified and tested, it's time for packaging. Every bottle you'll see on the shelf starts right here.
Every particle is removed at this stage. Purity is key. This ensures how engine oil is produced protects engines at every mile.
Now that the oil is purified and filled, each bottle of how engine oil is produced is ready for its label.
Next, robotic arms cap every bottle of how engine oil is produced with precision and speed.
After bottling and packaging, how engine oil is produced reaches stores, ready for customers worldwide. Here it is, the final product, fully purified, tested, and ready for your engine. Placement on the shelf ensures customers recognize the premium quality of how engine oil is produced.
Thanks for your participation.
So, how was your journey with us in this video? Keep watching our best content for knowledge and insights.